All right, good morning, folks. Today I'm heading out to Kincheloe Field, and I'm taking with me the Nazgul Evoque F5 FPV quad. Now, it's been a while since I've done anything or made any videos with that quad, and I'd like to do something today with that. I'm just going to go ahead and fly around, see if I can get some type of cinematic footage, and also you'll see the progress I've made since my last video. If you know the backstory, I started out with the DJI Vata and wanted to upgrade to a, say, real FPV quad, some may say, but it's been, quite a journey, and my progress has, evolved a little bit. I'm no pro, I'm still learning a lot, so you get to see that today. Also, I purchased the GoPro Mini Black 11 or Black 11 Mini. I forgot what order it goes in, but I purchased that, and I've been testing that out a lot just to see how I can color grade my footage. It's a little different because this is my first GoPro action camera. I've been rocking the DJI action cameras since I started, so it's a little different when color grading that flat profile. But over time, I started to like the DJI or the GoPro footage that I've seen on YouTube, so that's why I went ahead and purchased it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my settings that I use for my GoPro Mini Black, and also the settings I use for the O3 Air unit. And it's just going to be a regular flight. It's just going to be something that I wanted to do, and also just go out and enjoy the hobby and just go ahead and fly without being pressured to do some type of major video. So you guys just hold on and we'll get right into it. So if you like drone and tech reviews and tutorials, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell for future content. All right, so today to start off, we'll be flying off with a 1500 milliamp battery. It's a little heavy with this and also the GoPro Black Mini on here, but I'm just going to cruise around for the first flight and see what kind of footage I can get, and also get acclimated to the sticks. Now, this does have the O3 Air unit, and I'll put the settings here for the O3 Air unit, and then for the GoPro, I'll put them up here on my left here. This does have GPS, and the GPS works well. And I also have a couple PID profiles set up in here, and like I said, I'm going to try to get acclimated to the profiles that I set up. So if you guys just hang tight, we'll get right into it. All right, so I'm in air mode, and I had 3.85 volts. Just flew just a little bit before. I flew a little bit on this battery, so we're just going to do a short flight here, just going to cruise around and get acclimated to the controls and everything, see if everything is all right, and then we're going to do some other stuff. All right, start my motors. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to cruise around here. For some reason the air unit, or the footage through the air unit, the image looks a little, I think it has a little magenta in it or something, a little red. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, but alright. Dog is going crazy. Alright. Let's see if we can. You said path is clear?
Yep, path is so clear.
Alright. Coming through. flight time is definitely reduces with this on here. Probably getting maybe 3 to 4 minutes. If I'm really pushing it, like 2.5 to 3 minutes. So that's the only thing about these FPV drones, and you don't get as much flight time. I mean, you could get like a 6-7 inch and get a bigger battery.
You got one guy on the trail coming from our right.
Okay, cool. And you can put a bigger battery on here, or not on this one probably, but get a bigger drone, longer range drone. You can go a good amount of time, but this here, I'll say 6 minutes tops that I can get out of this battery without destroying it. Alright, so I'm already getting a low battery. Warning, I have it set at 3.5 volts to give me the warning. When I increase the throttle, of course it gets lower, but right now it's hovering around 3.50 to 3.53. But I think it's about time to start bringing it in. You probably can hear it. I can hear it from over there. From over here.
You're clear.
All right. Now this is the hardest part. Trying to land this thing. And there's some water over here too. All right.
Like a champ.
Yeah, like a champ. I'm going to grab this, put another battery on here, and we're going to do a little bit more, get a little bit more cinematic shots. I have 23 satellites, and I'm ready to go. Start the motors. GPS rescue is activated. One more time. There we go.
You got one guy back pretty hard.
Yeah, I remember seeing him going down there. All right, so let's get. Okay. Anybody in the field over there? No.
No.
All right. Let me get a low lying shot real quick. So this footage will be stabilized in gyro flow. I've been testing that out lately as well, trying to experiment with it. And kind of got it to where it's decent. You want to come through the pavilion, so you might want to step up a little bit.
Right on the trail.
All right. Can't go too fast. Hopefully, if I can just keep it steady, I'm good. Got a little close, didn't I? Okay. It looked a little close in the goggles. It looked really close. Power loop coming through. Ooh. Darn. I couldn't get anything, but freaking the vulture went down. Yeah, I'm down to one. Yeah. All right, so done with my flights. Wasn't able to get too much because it's really crowded here in this big field. You have so many dogs around, so many people just walking the trail. So good thing I did have, you know, my spotter here, Corey, to point out a lot of stuff, but you know, a lot of things going on. So I wasn't able to do what I actually wanted to do. I would have to come out during the week when there's not too many people here. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Not too much to learn from. You do have my camera settings. I'll put them up here one more time so you'll see my camera settings. I'm still trying to iron out a lot of things with the GoPro in reference to getting the proper settings and also my motion blur that I want to achieve. So hopefully you can learn something from what I did today. But there will be more content coming out. Hopefully I can get some tutorials out on color grading and the steps I take to color grade. So hopefully that will be coming out, in the near future. So you guys take care, fly safe or fly safely, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I'm in my element, it's evident that there's levels to the game. All of those dark nights I got then, breaking my back to make it out, got me feeling like pain. I ain't never need your help, I know you wishing me well, a penny for your thoughts, but seeing no change. I snap for the sun like Diddy, the riches got a mad ass son, I'm like Billy. I ain't never switch up, whole team with me, but known for my city like OAGZ. Set the pace as long as you finish, consumers find a way inside your business.